1. Sushi. Introduction. Sushi is the quintessential Japanese dish known for its delicate balance of flavor, texture, and visual appeal. It originated as a preservation method for fish, but evolved into an artful and flavorful combination of vinegared rice, fresh seafood, vegetables, and seaweed. Whether you're enjoying simple nigiri or intricate maki rolls, sushi delivers a delightful harmony of umami and freshness. This recipe walks you through making classic maki rolls at home, combining precision with creative presentation to create a memorable culinary experience. Ingredients. To make sushi at home, gather the following: 2 cups of Japanese short-grain rice, 2 1/4 cups of water, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt for the sushi rice. For the fillings and assembly, you'll need sushi-grade raw fish such as tuna or salmon, 1 cucumber, julienne, 1 avocado sliced, sheets of nori, dried seaweed, soy sauce for dipping, wasabi paste for heat, and pickled ginger for serving. Optional ingredients include cream cheese, imitation crab sticks, or cooked shrimp, depending on your preferred sushi variation. Step 1. Prepare the sushi rice. Rinse the short grain rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This step removes excess starch and prevents the rice from becoming too sticky. Combine the rinsed rice and measured water in a rice cooker or pot and cook until done. While the rice cooks, mix the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt in a small saucepan over low heat until dissolved. Once the rice is done, transfer it to a wide, shallow bowl, preferably wooden, and gently fold in the vinegar mixture using a rice paddle or spatula. Be careful not to mash the rice. Use a slicing motion and fan the rice to help it cool quickly and develop the signature sheen. Step 2. Prepare the fillings. Slice the fish into thin, even strips using a very sharp knife. Julienne the cucumber and slice the avocado just before rolling to prevent browning. Arrange all the filling ingredients within easy reach on a clean surface or bamboo rolling mat. If using other ingredients like cream cheese or crab sticks, make sure they are also cut into uniform strips to maintain even distribution in the roll. Step 3. Assemble the sushi roll, maki. Place a sheet of nori on a bamboo sushi mat, shiny side down. Wet your hands with a bowl of water to prevent sticking, then spread a thin layer of sushi rice over the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top edge. Gently press the rice down but do not pack it tightly. Arrange your chosen fillings in a horizontal line about 1 inch from the bottom edge. Lift the bottom edge of the mat and nori and roll it over the fillings, applying gentle but firm pressure. Continue rolling while keeping the mat tight until you reach the exposed edge. Use a little water to seal the roll. Let the roll rest for a minute, then use a very sharp damp knife to slice it into 6 to 8 even pieces. Step 4. Serve and garnish. Arrange the sliced sushi rolls on a clean plate. Serve with small bowls of soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and pickled ginger on the side. For a beautiful presentation, consider garnishing with sesame seeds or thinly sliced green onions. Sushi is best enjoyed fresh, so serve it immediately after slicing. Conclusion. Making sushi at home is not only rewarding but also a fun and creative process. With a few quality ingredients and careful preparation, you can enjoy restaurant-quality sushi in your own kitchen. Experiment with different fillings and presentation styles to make each roll uniquely yours. Whether you're cooking for yourself or entertaining guests, homemade sushi is sure to impress and satisfy. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and stay updated with our latest videos.